Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here on our 2023 Ford Super Duty truck, and we're going to be installing some accent lighting here on the driver and passenger side of the center console. It's a great upgrade to enhance the interior experience or aesthetics, and the installation is very easy. We're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we want to do is create some separation here between this silver trim piece and this plastic gray panel. We're going to be using this tool from the F150 LEDs installation toolkit just to create that separation and create this channel that we can put our light strip into. If you don't have this tool, you can use something like a flathead screwdriver, but just be really careful as you don't want to scratch any surface. So once we've got our light installed here, we're going to run that connector into the console. So we're going to pop this black trim piece up using, again, that plastic pry tool. And then we're going to just compress it into this open channel because we don't want that to be visible. Once we've got it in place, we'll be able to push back down on this, on the top of that plastic trim, and it's going to lock back into place. Now we can repeat the same process for the driver's side. Now we can connect our lights to the power source. So we're going to take this Y connector here, connect one of the Y splits to our driver's side light, and then we'll connect the other Y split to our passenger side light. And then we'll connect the other end of our Y splitter to our power box inverter. The next thing we want to do is route our wires for our inverter to the fuse panel. Utilizing our pry tool, again, we're going to run this wire in between these trim pieces. Once it exits here, we're then going to run the wires under this trim panel towards the footwell where the fuse panel is located. Here in our passenger footwell, there's a bolt, and then we're going to be using this for our black ground wire connection. So you can use a size 10 socket to remove that nut. And then place our terminal ring over and reinstall the nut. Once our terminal ring is installed for our ground, we'll be able to access the fuse panel for our power connection. To get access to our fuse panel, we're going to need to remove this protective covering. There's just 3 push-in tabs that hold it in place. Again, we're going to use our pry tool here and just apply pressure down and away from the glove box, and then this protective cover will fall down. We'll be able to set it aside. Now we're going to use our easy fuse tap connector, but first let's take the fuse panel off. You'll see it's numbered and shows you which numbers correlate to which fuse. And we're going to be using fuse 49 here for this installation. So to use the easy fuse tap, just take out the fuse that's in fuse 49, put it right back in the open slot of our easy connector here, and then we'll install our easy fuse tap right back where that fuse originally was. So now that it's firmly in place, we'll be able to tuck the wires out of the way. Once our wires are out of the way, we'll be able to reinstall our fuse panel cover. Lastly, we can reinstall our protective covering here with the 3 push-in tabs. So that's all there is to installing our accent lighting here on the driver and passenger side of your 23 and up Ford Super Duty truck. It's a great upgrade, easy to install. You can check it out right now at F150LEDs.com. where you can find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford Super Duty truck. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We truly appreciate your support. Look forward to serving you soon at F150LEDs.com. Thanks, guys.